My makeup brushes are clean. My makeup brushes are clean. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. It's been about, I'd say 4 months since I last cleaned my brushes. I don't really put on makeup every day. I only use it once a week. Yeah, I really don't have time to clean my brushes, you know, and I'm too lazy sometimes. I feel like at the end of the day, I'm too exhausted and I just want to rest. But today, I made sure to make time. I am going to try this new brush cleaner that I got from Winners. Let's see if this one is good at cleaning brushes. And I would like to show you what I was using before. I got this one from Sephora. It has a, I don't know what this is called. It has this, and it comes with soap already. I'm gonna show you guys my brushes now. It's pretty nasty, so please don't judge me. But I wanna show you the before and after so that you guys see like how clean it gets, okay? So these are the brushes that I own, guys. And I used to buy a lot of brushes from Sephora, but I figured they get quite expensive. So this is a mix of the expensive ones and the cheap ones that I buy. Alright, so now let's open this thing. Dun, da, da, da. So this is what it looks like. Look at the different areas of it, guys. It's pretty cool. So I guess the big ones are for bigger brushes. The smaller ones are for smaller brushes. It also has the suction cup at the bottom, which is good because you don't want it to keep on moving when you're cleaning your brushes, right? Let's go and start washing our brushes. Alright guys, let's start. Now the first thing I'm going to do is wet the soap, and then I'm going to start with smaller brushes only because I feel like they don't have as much residue as the bigger ones, but no, I think I'm wrong. So let's go. I'm just going to keep on. So the key here is to wash it until the bubbles are white. So wet it first. Get soap. Oh, look at that. See? Look at how dirty that is, guys. Alright, now we are on to bigger brushes, guys. And let's start with this one. $5.99. This is definitely worth it. You guys, if you find this in Winners or wherever you go, buy it. I'm telling you, works like magic. It's been about 24 hours since I washed my makeup brushes and they are super clean now. I'm so happy. They are once again ready to be used. Brushes are clean. Okay. So that is it, guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and try it out. If you guys happen to see that product, try it out and let me know if it works for you, because it did for me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and love you. Bye. Bye!